Hello, this is Juul, I'm Paddy, and we're currently traveling around the world for as long as we can.
Until we run out of money.
Yeah, well, let's see how far we can get. Hello and welcome to Krabi.
Enjoy this tan while you can, because
It's like this, it's raining really bad and it is not going to stop for 4 days.
Yeah.
But it won't stop us. We got given umbrellas by the hostel, or by the hotel actually I should say. So we're perfect.
and the hotel is,
And it was cheaper than the hostel we had in Fifi.
it was like half the price, which is insane.
No footpaths. Sick wind chimes, bro.
Like this.
So the weather got a little bit better. It's not raining anymore, so we've just been strolling around to kind of get used to the city. A lot of shops, a lot of shops.
Oh, but, however, this girl has been shopping more than I have.
I have nothing.
Yeah, I bought more, but he shopped more. Look at him. Distracted. And there he goes. For the prey. So he couldn't find one in there.
I can find them. I'm just not able to haggle them down to the 400 mark.
Well, we got someone for the 400 mark, and then you were like, no, I'm gonna try more.
Yeah, I wanted 350 then. I've always wanted the Ajax Bob Marley crossover kit, but since going to the Netherlands and living in Eindhoven, Juul won't allow it.
No, of course not.
Got it for a phenomenal price as well, but it's principle now.
I will not give him the wallet. He's not getting that.
It's just a true PSV to our core. Eindhoven!
Shopping hall. This is my passport cover. Very cute.
Very cute.
And Paddy got a little notebook.
Very
Mine is made in Thailand. I got a set. So it's this, the top, and then with the skirt. But I can't take that out because I have no hands. And then I got more face masks and hair vitamins.
7-Eleven massive haul.
It's a self-care day, night, evening. So I buy things. That means I spend money. That's self-care.
And I didn't get a single jersey.
You're too picky. You need to go for it. They say 450 and he goes, no.
No, I ain't paying that extra euro, you best believe. Feels like hours later, but we've made it to the night market. At long last.
You know what you want?
Too much. I want one thing I've ever done.
Paddy wants churros.
I do want churros. This is such a big night market. It's like 6 or 7 rows of it.
For my starter, I chose balls with
Okay.
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 is fine. For my starter, I chose a green chicken curry spring roll.
Woo!
It doesn't quite work for a spring roll. 5 out of 10.
That wasn't the best choice you made. 5.5 out of 10.
Which is so funny. The guy who's doing the singing, he's unbelievable. Like, he's a great lad. But when he doesn't know the words in English, he doesn't stop him. He keeps going.
With a peach soda and a potato twist with cheese. That's right. 9 out of 10.
Jesus Christ. And for my last dish, we got pepper chicken and rice.
7 out of 10.
We're walking in the middle of nowhere. So what are you doing?
It's a hair vitamin thing that I bought yesterday. It's supposed to make my hair luscious. The water here is really bad for your hair. Saw this on TikTok. Surprise, surprise. So we're gonna try it. Extremely tasty.
Your hair is glowing.
That's so nice. It literally tastes like a fruit juice. The weather's really cleared up from yesterday. So now let's show you the pool that we got. Wasn't sure if we were going to use it with all the rain, but look at it. There's a ton of birds, which helps with my bird app. Look what I found. This one, it's over there somewhere.
Story. And they're just walking past like it's nothing.
That one fell.
Dumbass.
They are checking if we have food.
Yeah, they know the crack. Scratch your balls.
They're not doing anything, but they're checking out if we have food.
We're at a beautiful spot.
It's scary.
So we made it all the way to Monkey Beach, which we found all the monkeys on the way to Monkey Beach, and there's none here. But look how pretty it is. We got a rock, a big one. Cool, huh? He's got his baby. Baby down.
One tried to grab my bag, but they are very cute.
Treating ourselves to a little cocktail. That's strong.
Is
I take
it?
that back, yeah. Is yours?
Not that strong.
Oh, that makes mine. Hold on.
You said it's curious if he weighs more or less. Well, he's gonna weigh less. I know that for sure.
So what was that start? Like 90?
Like 90?
Who just did their first bit of bargaining?
I did bargaining before, but not as good as this. This is very easy. I feel like I even under bargain. No, they're so cute. They're for my crocs. It's a chicken eating a papaya.
It is a chicken eating a papaya. So we made it to the boat office where we're gonna try and get a boat to Railay Beach, and it's only gonna cost us 100 baht for the way. So
We got the tickets, now waiting for the boat. So we have to get into the boat. I accidentally brought sneakers. Very dumb.
we're here.
We're here.
It's like a very quirky town.
It is very adorable. Look, it's so aesthetic. So it's a Happy Shakes.
If you don't know what a happy shake is, magic mushrooms in a shake. Speaking of it,
Just got our food. It took a little while, and this is what happens when Paddy orders a drink and it gets there too early. Drink is gone.
it is crawling with monkeys. This is a lot different than the rest of the island. Do you know where we're going?
We've walked to the other side and now we're at a rock climbing place because it's huge in rock climbing here. I'll show you. Crazy.
We don't know if you're able to climb up here or not. Everyone's just walking past it.
It does say beautiful.
We're going for it. Okay, we've lost Shul. She's had to go back down. And people that I've met going down say it's not a good idea to do it in sliders, but I think I'm getting there. Okay, 2 paths. I don't know where either of them go. I don't know. I'll take the right path. There's so many different paths. I don't know which direction I'm supposed to be going in. Hope I don't get lost. Oh, okay, that was worth it. Oh my god. It actually looks very much like the viewpoint for the Fifi Islands. With the palm trees, the beach. That is gorgeous. The mountains as well. Oh man, that's awesome. Okay, I found the rope and the lagoon is, I think, this way. So I'm gonna try and not lose a slipper and go down. I'll be really quick till I get back to Shul.
I'm just chilling here while Paddy's doing the walk, and look what the fuck just came here. What the hell? Paddy. Oh my god. That. Oh my god. He like they appeared right behind me, and the guy that was sitting behind me, I was like, I think you need to move. I think you need to move. They're so big.
I do all that stuff. She'll chills on the beach and cooler stuff happens. How's that happen though?
I mean, your viewpoint was really cool, but I don't think you can top this. The aftermath, by the way, of the viewpoint hands.
And you got the cooler.
You have the big guy.
Hello.
This was 1 second after we filmed the video before.
Not so special now, are we? What do you want to call him?
Kevin.
Sorry, Kevin. What a beach. New beach.
I'll go wash those feet.
What are we doing?
Beautiful here. Look that side.
It's just ridiculous. And look, this island's floating. Look at the way his legs are spread.
I've seen that. Also, the way he's eating.
He's loving life.
Oh my god, the legs.
Ah, you made him self-conscious, Joe.
Sorry.
Tonight, I think we just watched the sunset.
Yes.
I got for 375. I got this one, which the lowest one I could get for was 600 on offer or something like that. But 375 he gave it to me for. And I got this one also for 375.
Do a turn, do a turn.
Shoot, who's on the back?
Atetokomopo.
Nailed it. There you go. Good job. So me and Shul have been going out now for 2 years and 9 months, and that's still important, that kind of stuff to Shul. So I'm gonna go get her to, gonna go to 7-Eleven to pick up some stuff for like a little dinner, for her, little breakfast for her. I got 2 rice triangles, salmon rice triangles. I got her a Thai milk tea. I got myself an iced cappuccino and 2 toasties, and that came out to 214 each. You know, boyfriend of the year.
We're off to the Emerald Pools now, and I think also the hot springs.
Yeah, on our bad boy motorbike. It's an hour and a 15-minute drive. We are driving on the motorway for an hour and 15 minutes. Ready for some Thai traffic? Hell yes.
Fucking horrible.
Like, it was supposed to be an hour and 15 minutes. Took more.
Hour 40?
Hour 40, I think. The motorway was mental. The off-roading was mental.
The wind is crazy.
The wind was crazy. It was raining. I had a blast personally, but she got a bit bored on the back of the boat.
I started singing songs.
Yeah.
We deserve each other.
I heard that about 40
Me
times.
and Bach.
Okay, we made it, and it's a kilometer walk until we get there.
And really expensive as well to get here.
Yeah, it was 400 baht. Well, when we when we put that back to what is in euros, it's actually not that bad. So pretty. Oh, slick with it. So far it does look kind of just like algae water. So let's hope it gets a bit better. Now it's getting more emerald. So this is like a crystal pool. Okay. It seems busy. It's very busy. It is very pretty. It is very commercial.
Yeah. There he goes. I really hope it's warm. Is it?
Yes. Well, it sounds ridiculous, but it's like thick water. Like the water feels thick and heavy, but it's really nice. It's nice. It's warm, good temperature, but it's busy. Oh, so clear.
It is.
But can you feel that it's thick?
It does feel thick. It feels like whipped cream.
Whipped cream?
Yeah, I would like the thicker version.
How many times you swam in whipped cream?
Never.
Too many times.
Yeah. Super fun.
And look at you, you're the same colour as the pool. Just had some fun swimming in the Emerald pool and even had some time to take some very sexy pictures. Okay, so the good news is the Blue Lagoon is also a hot spring. So we weren't able to go to the hot spring, but we can go to the Blue Lagoon. So we can go to a hot spring. Incredible. Just turns out nice, handy and dandy. Ooh.
Between 30 and 50 degrees.
Going on here. We're in the path of the dogs. We finished that now, and now we're gonna have, because of rush hour, probably a 2-hour drive in the rain and soon to be in the dark. Excited for the drive?
No.
Oh, that was such a long drive. My ass is killing me, but so good. I don't think she'll mind it, but we tore it down to get back. We were trying to get back before it got dark, and it's pretty good. And now Shul's gone in so we can have a coffee and a snack and chill out before we go for dinner. So we've ended up in the same spot, doing the same thing again, but this time no rain, and the fire show you can see. Full, we've seen it. Like the weather's good, they're setting up the music. The music from the fire has been savage. Shul's loving a cow soy. So that's it, it's the next day and we are off to Khao Samui. So that's the end of Ao Nang. I enjoyed it, it was pretty good. Khao Samui, what did I say?
Khao Samui.
Khao Samui, Khao Samui. Oh sorry, I didn't know we were locals around here. But yeah, we're off then, so yeah, till next time.
Bye.